Got a case of the fleas? It happens to all pet owners from time to time. If the thought of using flea bombs and sprays to get rid of these pests gives you the jitters, you'll be happy to know that using natural flea control methods can also be effective. Your vacuum is the most powerful tool you can use against fleas, and safe, natural household supplies like baking soda are close runners-up. Using these easy, chemical-free methods is the best way to get rid of fleas for good. How to kill fleas naturally. Gardening tips and welcome to our channel. Here's like this. So you're here for the first time. Click the bell icon so that you receive notifications on my new upload. Part 1. Treating your pet. 1. Give your pet a natural flea bath. The first step to treating your flea-infested pet is to give it a bath. You can take your pet to the vet to get a chemical bath, but if you'd prefer to address the problem with a natural approach, try the following flea bath solutions. Make a rosemary dip. Cover 2½ cups of fresh rosemary sprigs with water and boil for a half hour. Add the rosemary water to a gallon of warm water. While the water is still warm, pour it over your pet. Use soapy water. It may also be effective to use a solution of water mixed with a gentle foaming soap. Bathe your cat or dog carefully using warm water. 2. Use a flea comb after the bath. The dip solutions will have killed some of the fleas, but you still need to remove the eggs. Purchase a flea comb from your pet store and use it to carefully comb your pet's fur to remove all traces of fleas. 3. Treat your pet with a natural flea repellent. Fleas are repelled by a few natural scents and oils that you can apply directly to your dog. Cats, on the other hand, can be harmed by certain oils, so avoid treating your cat unless a certain substance has been recommended by the vet. Here are a few options for treating your pet. Lavender essential oil. Rub some on your dog's neck and back. This is said to both kill and repel fleas. Eucalyptus oil. Make a spray by mixing 1 cup of water and 5 drops of oil, then spray your dog thoroughly to repel fleas. Do not use this treatment on cats. 4. Repeat until the fleas are gone. In all likelihood, you'll have to dip, comb, and treat your pet several times before the battle is over. Keep an eye on your pet for signs of more fleas and plan to dip your dog or cat once every week or so to kill the fleas that hatch over time. Part 2. Cleaning and treating the house. 1. Wash your pet. Wash your pet's bedding in hot water. As soon as you realize your house has fleas, immediately wash your pet's bedding in very hot water to kill all of the fleas and their eggs. Wash other items your pet has touched, such as cloth, toys, pillows, and so on. 2. Wash your sheets. Wash your sheets and other linens. It's likely that the fleas have spread beyond your pet's domain, so go ahead and wash everything else too. You may need to wash your clothes, your bedding, if your pet sleeps with you, your couch cushions, and anything else where fleas could live. 3. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum the carpet and upholstered furniture. Using a heavy-duty vacuum, vacuum your carpet thoroughly. Take your time and go over the entire area more than once. You can also vacuum your sofa, upholstered chairs, and rugs. Use the hose attachment to vacuum the cracks in your baseboards too. Vacuuming has been proven to kill fleas. It sucks up adult fleas as well as their eggs. After you vacuum, empty the vacuum bag. Otherwise, the fleas will hatch from their eggs and climb out of the vacuum to re-infest your home. 4. Treat your carpet. Treat your carpet with baking soda. Cover the entire carpet with a layer of baking soda. Go ahead and use up several boxes. Let the baking soda sit on the carpet for at least 4 hours or overnight, then vacuum it up. The baking soda dries out the eggs in the carpet, helping to kill the next round of fleas before they hatch. You can use borax instead of baking soda to treat your carpets. Be sure to vacuum it thoroughly after the treatment. Salt is another cheap and effective flea killer. Use it the same way you'd use baking soda. 5. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your rooms. This completely natural powder kills adult fleas and other insects by piercing their exoskeletons when they walk over it. Wear a mask as you sprinkle it in areas where you have seen adult fleas. Leave it for 24 hours, then vacuum it up. 6. Use a dehumidifier. If your home is on the humid side, you're providing the perfect climate for fleas. You can make your house less hospitable by using a dehumidifier to make the air drier. You could also turn on the AC, your fans, or a heater, depending on the season. 7. Keep your lawn short. If you have fleas in your house, they're probably in your yard too. They thrive in tall grass, which shades them from the hot sun and keeps their environment moist. Exposing them to the sun is the best way to kill them. Mow your lawn frequently so that the grass won't get tall enough to shelter the fleas. 8. Use borax. Sprinkle it in areas where you have seen adult fleas just as you would any carpet deodorizer. Leave it for 24 hours, then vacuum it up thoroughly. This method will kill a full-blown infestation in just days. Part 3. Making sure the fleas stay away. 1. Use apple cider vinegar. Give your pets apple cider vinegar. Put a teaspoon of ACV in your pet's water dish. The vinegar is a natural flea repellent and will help keep fleas at bay once the infestation is over. This is a safe treatment for both dogs and cats. 2. Cedar chips placing. Place cedar chips around your house. The smell of cedar is another natural flea repellent. Placing some cedar chips near your pet's bedding, outside on your flower bed, or in other strategic areas can help keep fleas away. 3. Spray eucalyptus oil. Spray your house with eucalyptus oil. If you have a cat, don't use this trick since cats are sensitive to eucalyptus. Otherwise, spray your home's nooks and crannies, the carpet, your drawers, and your dog's bedding with a mix of eucalyptus oil and water to keep fleas out. 4. Vacuum often. Your pet will probably bring in a flea or two from time to time, but it doesn't have to become a full-blown infestation. Vacuuming regularly will kill fleas before they have the chance to reproduce. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Guardian's Choice Official.